Hey guys, welcome back to my channel TechSpot. My name is Rahul Punya, and in this video we'll talk about the new feature from Google, that is the virtual business cards or the virtual visiting cards. So recently Google has launched this new feature. This has been around 1 week. So what you can do with that is, previously this option was only available for the business listings, like you could add any business to Google search results. Whenever someone finds that business, like if you search Google, then definitely that business listing page will show up. So right now you can do it with your own profile. So if you type in like Rahul Punya or your name, then definitely a public visiting card will show up over there. So you can explain what you do in some short lines, and then you can link to your social media profiles. So if someone finds you, it will be easier for the world to find each other, so to get the information about each other. So this is going to be really useful, and this is in beta testing right now. Then definitely you can find yourself instantly, because these profiles are instantly indexed. I'll jump right into my phone screen and I'll show you how you can register for this. Your photo will appear over there, your description and your social media profiles will appear over there. If you don't want to show your email address or your phone number, then definitely you can hide it, and there will be no option to see anyone's email ID or phone number. So this is going to be really helpful, and it is kind of a visiting card that is just getting digital, and Google is taking this initiative, so you must check it out. Let's jump right onto the phone screen and we'll see how we can do this. Okay, so here we are at my phone screen. So now what we will do is, so if you try to open it with the Chrome browser and search for this, add yourself to Google search, then there will be no option to add yourself over here. So what you will need to do is go to this Google search app, and here you have to search for the same add me to search. So there you can see there's an extra box which we can use to create our public profile, the virtual visiting card. So we can see the example. Let's see. So what we can do is we can upload a picture just like this. Then our name will be there, then our profile or the designation and the location, and then a short description will be there. Then our work, education, hometown details will be there. You can also link your website over here. Then you can put your email address, Twitter or Instagram accounts as well. So you can add your social media profiles over here. So some of the things are not mandatory over here. We'll just get started with this, and I'll show you how you have to set it up. So let's click on get started, and now it will ask to sign in. So let me just quickly sign in. So this is the verification code, and after that just click on next. If it is a business, you can add to the Google businesses, but you are creating your own profile, so just click on OK, got it. And here, this is my profile picture. I'll keep it just like that, and in the location I will put in Churu, Rajasthan, because I'm from here. So here is the description. I have put it as short as possible, and you can also type in up to 350 characters. So, and you can also edit it after the first time you put it in. In the occupation, I will type in YouTuber. Okay. And for the work, you can add over here TechSpot. And education, I will type in. So if you type in, you can add any of these. So let me just click on facebook.com. So I will put it in as rahul.punya77. Save. Okay, so there we go. You can preview this as well. So I'll click on preview, and it will look something like this. Wait, I think my email address and my phone number is also visible. So let me go back and click on it, and I will remove it. Okay, so now it is okay. If you want to remove your email address also, you can do the same way. So right now what I'll do is I'll just save it. Okay, so this is it. whatever you want to change, you can change it from over here. And right now if I try to find like Rahul Punia, there you go, it is like automatically indexed in milliseconds. So this is how you create your public visiting cards, that is the virtual visiting card. So guys, I hope this feature will be really useful for all of us. So if you have registered for this, then definitely mention your name, or I'll search and find what you do. And you can find my name over there, Rahul Punya, and you will find what I do. So this is going to be really fun also. I think I could pass on some important information to you. And if you think this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down if you have any questions or queries, and subscribe to my channel. And you can share this video with your friends or family members so that they can also register for this public profile, because this is going to be really awesome. So this is it for this video. I will see you in the next awesome video. Till then, namaste.